What is up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a $32,000 liquidation box that I got for $250. Joining me here is Charles, otherwise known as CRPHD.
What's up, y'all?
Link is in the description below. Please go support him. We very much appreciate it. But he's going to be helping me unpack. I'm basically unbox this package right here. It's 900 pounds. Used to be 2 of them, but
Ready to get inside this, man?
yeah, let's go.
Let's get it, man. Y'all, I think it's time to just dump out all this stuff. Bro, I have a question just before we do this, bro. When we dump it all out, where's all this gonna go?
This can be like a giant tech chair, bro. A giant tech bean bag. You can literally just be chilling in this. Even the cat over there, he's like, man, this is a lot of cool stuff. Stay tuned, because also at the end of the video, we're gonna actually just pick out like the top 5 tech items that we like seeing here. Now, of course, there's like a lot of duplicate stuff in here. Like there's more than there's a lot of duplicate chargers and phone cases, but we're gonna pick the top 5 best things that came in this liquidation box. How? Like, what was going through your mind when you was searching for all this stuff? I'm very curious.
Oh, Random Frank P was the inspiration to this video.
So yeah, shout out to him, man.
Shout out to him.
I watch him too, bro.
Yeah, he's cool.
Long story short, go to liquidation.com like Jack and Random Frank P did, man. Bro, let's go ahead. Let's see what we got in this box, man. This is crazy. So y'all, all like, he literally has just these whole giant box of just keyboards just sitting over there. Dang.
We're gonna try and cut through all this box. It is pretty.
Guys, I'm trying to tell y'all, this box is super thick.
Oh my gosh! I keep like swinging this knife around.
You gotta be careful.
Yeah, look how thick this box is.
Bruh, that's
the whole 900 pounds of electronics right there.
That's my point.
This is like an inch thick.
Man, that's
a box.
Exactly. Basically, we're gonna get all the good accessories and we're gonna put it in this black bin right here. And then just out of everything that pretty much goes into this bin, we're gonna pick the top 5.
Look how big it is. It's like fiction.
Bruh, someone caption this. Somebody caption this, man. Is it comfortable, dog?
Actually, it's not terrible, but it isn't good. It's a lot of sharp box.
Bruh. Bruh.
Okay, that feels good.
Man, none of them chargers is poking you, bruh?
No.
In your back? And where is that knife at that we had? It's not laying.
Oh, yeah, I put it in the circle.
Oh,
just,
okay.
Like, leave it in the pile.
For real, bro. Let me just hop back on this thing, and that thing poked me in my back. For real. Oh no. Oh, and just before we start the time lapse, Jack, you wanna show them all these keyboards that you have, dog?
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
This is like 20 plus keyboards of $20 keyboards on Amazon. You can get these for like $20, but we got like $200 worth of keyboards. Wireless keyboard and mouse sets right here.
Bro, these are just all wireless keyboards and mouses. Like, I just remember you was like, Charles, you want to come over and make a video over this giant box of accessories I got off of liquidation.com. And I'm like, what? And then he sent me a picture. I have it like popped up on the screen. I was like, yes, bro. And it was the perfect timing, because we've been planning to make this video, just a video in general of us together, whether that's just gaming or anything, for a long time. So,
yeah, but it's been 100 plus degrees every time we want to do a video. And everything's mostly outside.
Exactly, bro.
Like the airsoft video we were supposed to do, but it's still 100 freaking degrees outside. Especially doing more physical activity.
For real.
In 100-degree heat, like.
But we out here doing it, for that YouTube grind. You feel me? I feel you, bro. But let's actually get to the time lapse now.
Oh, wow.
Luckily it's a GoPro.
Yeah, I'm worried about the lens though.
Oh.
Oh my.
How much was that lens?
Like $15. There's glass shards. Okay, look at that, guys.
You mean just to wipe it off real quick with my shirt or something? Well, we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs, and we're gonna just pretty much just tell y'all all of our top 5. Look at this. All these are phone cases. Y'all see all these phone cases that are in here?
Oh, that whole trash bin right there is full.
Yeah, like literally, all of these are phone cases.
Dump this out just for video.
No, do not dump it out. It's okay. Look, oh, look at all the, bruh, Jack. Look, do it, bruh. All these phone cases. Like, that's just, there's plenty more over there too.
So we went through that giant pile of products and we each picked out the top 5 products, and we are here right now to show you guys our top 5 products based on opinion and what we found. So first one, it's a wireless charging stand. Plug in right here. You can put your iPhone up there. Just get my iPhone charges right there. No charging cable required. Okay, and then second one, we found a Game Boy actually, and that's pretty cool. Has some games on it. Actually does work, and surprisingly, yeah, it's pretty fun.
Bro, how many games does it have on there?
Oh my gosh, look.
How many games does it have on there?
It has like 100. It has like a ton of games.
That's what's up, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So that was definitely a second one. And third one, we got a Bluetooth car thing. You can plug it into your aux, and then it'll connect to your system and play Bluetooth. Good hands-free system. Yeah, and so here's the module right here. It's just plugs in straight up right there into the aux system. Even has an extra aux, so if you don't want to go Bluetooth, you can still connect the aux port straight from your phone. Most people don't have that port anymore because they stopped after making the 7s on the iPhone. But yeah, it's made it on top of my list for sure for people who don't have a Bluetooth system in their car and want a Bluetooth. Hey, next one. These are 2 iHome Apple Home connectors. So you plug these into the wall and stuff, and pretty much, yeah, so they connect into your wall, and you connect it Bluetooth, and you can control it going off, on, voice with Alexa. So I thought these were really cool. And the final one, we found the one and only Nintendo Switch case. I have a Switch, so it's pretty cool. The only thing is, this slide is in there. It's the Velcro broke off for the standing up part of it, but
I'm the dude behind the camera. If y'all want to see my top 5s, go to my channel.
yeah, check it out.
And
see
then
his video.
And then if y'all are on my channel, go watch his top 5s. But this is going on your channel anyway, so I don't know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching the end of the video. Be sure to go hit CRPHD up. Link will be in the description below. He'd very much appreciate it if you go see his point of view and subscribe to his channel. He has an awesome review channel. I totally recommend you guys check him out. But yeah, it was a fun day. Fun 5 hours out in the sun.
A long day.
Very long day.
A long day.
Yeah.
I don't know if that was the right way to describe that, but it was a long day.
You got some stuff. That's all that matters.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Do it for the YouTube grind.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
And I'll thank you guys for 2,500 subs. It's unbelievable. Can't believe we guys did. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.